listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL61 in Cedar Rapids. The current time is 10:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11 a.m. at Cedar Rapids, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 64 degrees, dew point. Test of the Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to normal programming.